Here is my new Amazon Echo Plus. I'm going to go ahead and set this up in my office. This is the only Amazon product I have in this office, and I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to do a setup. So this is the very beginning stage. So first thing, really quickly, let's go ahead and unbox this. AC adapter, instructions, stuff like that, which we don't need. Let's go ahead and take all this off of here, all this plastic. Looking at the top here, we can see all these like little dots here. That's all the microphone here. We have the volume up, volume down. We have the mute button right there, and we have the action button right there. And the AC plug goes in here. Let's go ahead and pop this in here. Plug it into the outlet on the wall or surge protector, whatever you have. You can see the ring pop on right there. Like I said, this is the first Amazon product I have in this office. Next thing to do is go ahead and you need to download the Alexa app. So go ahead and grab your phone. Doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or Android phone. Go right to the app store, and you just want to type in Alexa, Alexa, Alexa app. Right here. I already downloaded it. Let me go ahead and pop this open. Then once you're here, first thing you want to do is go ahead and
bringing your device online. Just a moment.
You want to click on devices right here, and then you want to click on the plus sign up here, and then we want to click on add device. Tap on that. Now we want to look for
the
Amazon Echo, which is right here. Let's tap on that. And now which one do we have? We have the Echo Plus, right? There it is right there. Let's tap on that. This is the second generation, so we're going to tap it up here. And now it says, is your Echo Plus plugged in? It is. And displaying an orange light. What do you know? It's not. The orange light will indicate it is in setup mode. Mine is not, but everything's plugged in. So we're going to go and tap on no down here. Oops. Tap on no. And it says press and hold the action button, which is a little dot here. And once the light on the Echo turns orange, tap continue. Okay, so let's go ahead and press and hold the dot up here. Wait till it turns orange. There it is right there. Now I'm going to tap on continue.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
And this is, I guess this is the Echo 300 right there. Let's go ahead and tap on that. Now we just have to go ahead and hook this up to our Wi-Fi, and then we'll be up and running, okay? So let me go ahead and connect it to my Wi-Fi. We'll use this one right here. Connecting to your Echo Plus to Wi-Fi. And you can see this is actually, this is orange right now. We're still in setup mode here. All right, finally, that took like 1 minute, but okay, so this device is ready. And then which room is your Echo Plus in? Go ahead and pick whatever you want. I'm just gonna go with office here, and then I'll go ahead and click on continue and click on OK for the access the microphone here. And then from here, let Alexa learn your voice here. It'll actually work even without going through this. Alexa, what's today's forecast?
Right now in Arcadia, it's 81 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Today's forecast has intermittent clouds with a
Alexa,
high of 83 degrees.
Shut up. Anyways, if you want to be let Alexa know your voice more specifically, then you want to go ahead and just tap on continue. It really doesn't matter. I really don't see a difference. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list. Voice profile has been created. And then you can go ahead and proceed here with the new address and all that. I'm just going to go ahead and skip right here. And I'll just click on continue here. And there you go. Pretty simple. I'll click on skip on there. And that's good enough. Alexa, hit me with some Eminem.
Shuffling your songs by Eminem on Amazon Music.
Good luck.